Israel claims 7 injured in rocket fire from Gaza. Israel shuts Gaza crossing after rocket fire. Israel strikes Hamas positions across blockaded Gaza. Recognition of Jerusalem as Israel's capital illegal. PLO. Pence, Trump to recognize Israel's claim to Golan. World unites against illegal US decision on Golan. Jordan king cancels Romania visit over Jerusalem. Turkey's vice president to visit Qatar. New Zealand attack video, French Muslim group to sue tech giants. Torrential floods in Iran's Shirak leaves 11 dead. Foreign troops air raid killed 13 Afghan civilians. UN. Afghanistan 53 killed, injured in Saturday bombing.